If you've suffered a breakdown caused by a flat battery, having a Sealey RoadStart emergency jump starter can quickly and easily get you back on the road. Simply connect the clamps to the correct terminals on your battery and turn the device on. You can then start your vehicle and be on your way. The front panel has an LED multifunction display to easily see the internal battery charge level and is supplied with a mains charger with an automatic power cutoff that prevents damage to the battery whilst charging. It's fitted with two 12-volt power sockets, and the RS1B, RS102B and RS103B models come with a single 5-volt 2.4 amp USB port, making it an ideal portable power supply too. There's also a handy integral LED work light on the front of the pack to make it easier to use in low light conditions. The device also includes short circuit, overload and over temperature protection, as well as an audible warning for reverse polarity. It's easy to carry and store thanks to the carry handle and built-in battery clamp storage. The Sealey range of RoadStart emergency jump starters includes a 900 amp, 1200 amp, 1900 amp and a 2400 amp version that are suitable for an array of different petrol and diesel engines. The RS105B model is also suitable for starting 24-volt vehicles with 6-cylinder petrol engines up to 3.5 litre and 6-cylinder diesel engines up to 3 litres. The Sealey RS range of RoadStart emergency jump starters. More excellent additions to the extensive Sealey range. For other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.